Princess Community Hospital, we start our clinical exposure by having a courtesy call with the mayor. Here in the triage area, there are 2 student nurses that are assigned to gather the patient's information as well as their vital signs.
Good morning po, ma'am. Napano po ang pasyente?
Nahihilo lang.
Meron na po ba kayong OPD card?
Wala po.
Papilapan na lang po ito. Ito naman po ang triage form. Pipilapan nyo lang po ito kung meron po kayong simptomas ng COVID.
So, pwede ko ba po yung vital signs po ninyo?
Once the patient is done filling up the OPD records, they would be heading to the security guard. The security guard ensures the safety and protection of the hospital as well as ensure that the patient is filling up the logbook.
Good morning po. Pwede pakisulat po yung pangalan, contact number, and yung signature niyo po. So, may record na po ba kayo? Kung may record po kayo, magdiretso na po kayo sa midwife. And kung wala pa po, punta po kayo sa cashier para magbayad.
After filling up the security logbook, the midwife is the one that will gather the chief complaint of the patient, transcribe vital signs, as well as gather the purpose of the visit.
Good morning po. Napano po ang pasyente? Kunin ko lang po yung record.
Here in the OPD record, the records are stocked and arranged based on the year as well as the case number of the patient.
Sir Ryan, papahanap lang po record.
After the midwife is done with the OPD record, the midwife would give the record to the OPD triage officer.
Ito na po yung record.
Magandang umaga po. Dito po kayo maupo. Tatawagin na lang po yung pangalan niyo pag kayo na po.
Now, the patient is ready to be endorsed by the student nurse to the doctor, indicating the patient's initials, age, and chief complaint.
Good morning, Doc. This is patient DB, a 37 years old male. Ang chief complaint niya po is cough and cold for almost 1 week.
During the cashier, the patient will pay the OPD record as well as the medications and supplies that had been used.
Dito po kayo magbabayad ng 20 pesos. Kung Venus, magbabayad po